welcome to Crafting Things. My name is Samantha, and today we're going to be making Scrabble ornaments. These little guys right here. And what we're going to need is a piece of ribbon. So I gave the option to do 3 different words, joy, love, or peace. And depending on which word you make, you're going to need a different length of ribbon. So if you make the word joy, you're going to need about 8 inches of ribbon. Love is going to be about 9.5 inches, and if you choose peace, that is going to be about 12 inches of ribbon. So then, of course, you're going to need your Scrabble pieces. So today I am going to be making the word love. You will need 3 little jingle bells. Depending on the amount of letters you're doing, you will need a variety of different glue dots. I have 6 here. So you'll need 6 for love. You'll only need 5 for joy, and you'll need 8 if you're doing the word peace. And you will also need about 10 inches of string. So the first thing you're going to do after you cut your ribbon to size is you're just going to fold it in half so that the ends meet, just like that. And then you're going to fold it the long way. And I would just do the bottom. Even if you can just do the bottom, that's just fine. You don't have to do the full way. And then about 1/4 inch from the bottom, take your thumb and just kind of hold it there. And then you'll take a scissors and you're just going to cut diagonally from the top of your 1/4 inch to the corner of the bottom. I can get a better angle of that. Let me show you what it'll look like. So I cut an angle in so that when I unfold it, I have a triangle at the bottom of my ribbon. So once you have that done, you're going to take a glue dot. So here's my glue dot. And I'm going to take it out of the piece of paper. And then at the bottom of the ribbon, just underneath my triangle, I'm going to place my glue dot. Okay, I'm going to detach it from the paper. There you go. So there it is at the bottom. And then I'm going to take my other end and I'm going to attach the 2 bottoms so that they are together. Alright, so there, my ribbon's now attached. So now I'm going to take my Scrabble pieces. You're going to want to take your glue dots and put a glue dot on the back of each Scrabble piece. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you me doing that here too. Okay, so now that I have the glue dots on the back of each Scrabble piece, I'm going to now attach them to my ribbon. So I did love, and I'm going to start from the bottom to the top. And I'm going to leave a small amount of space in between each letter, including from the bottom of my triangle to about right there. I'm going to just leave some extra space, and I'll show you me doing that. So I left about that much space between the bottom and my first Scrabble tile. I'm just going to spell out my words, starting with the last letter, moving to the first letter. All right. So now I have it, for the most part, assembled. You can see at the top here, it's still really loose between both the ribbons. So I'm going to take my last glue dot and I'm going to attach the ribbon with that. If you are doing the word peace, you were given an extra glue dot, and that's because you're going to want a glue dot in the middle. Probably where your E lands is where you're going to want that extra glue dot. So if you have peace, you'll have a glue dot at the bottom, the middle, and the top in the back of the ribbon. So I'll show you me doing that. Okay, and you can see I did it at the top where the last letter is. I didn't want to do it right here because I need space for my string so that we can thread our ornament. I'm going to press and hold the glue dot. Okay, now you see I have a lot more stabilization in the ribbon and it's not wiggling or going anywhere. Okay, so next you'll take your string and your jingle bells, and you're just going to thread your jingle bells onto your string. So I will go ahead and do that. That's my first one. And then my third one. Trim my string a little bit so I can get it on there better. All right. And then I am not going to tie a knot at the end of my bells so that they don't move. I'm just going to let them hang loose. I liked it better hanging them loose and kind of letting them land wherever they want to when I attach the ornament. I didn't really like having them stay in one place, and you'll see why here, I think. So go ahead and I'm going to take my string and thread it through my ribbon. And then I'm going to tie a knot at where I think it would probably hang. So I'll probably tie a knot about right here. Okay, and then I'm just going to trim the top of my string. Okay, and that is my ornament. There you have it. And so you can see also on both mine, the bells kind of landed wherever. And I liked it because it adds a little uniqueness to each ornament. Um, and so have fun. Um, add them to your tree or wherever you want to hang them. They're just really cute and fun to have around. Thanks for joining Craft and Thanks.